Marriage is one of the most meaningful traditions in Filipino culture. It symbolizes love, commitment, and the creation of a family. In different religions, marriage practices vary according to beliefs and teachings. One example is the practice of endogamous marriage in Iglesia ni Cristo. Endogamy means marrying within the same religious or social group. In the Iglesia ni Cristo, members are strongly encouraged to marry fellow members of the church.
In this documentary, we will explore the traditions, challenges, and the realities of endogamous weddings in Iglesia ni Cristo. We will look at its history, religious basis, and its effects on the community.
Endogamy is simply the practice of marrying the specific of groups. These groups can be defined by religious ethnicity, social class, or sex. In some cases, marrying outside the group is strictly forbidden, while in others it is strongly preferred. To put it plainly, aristocracies often practice endogamy by to keep wealth and power within their circle. Religious or ethics minorities may use it to preserve tradition and identity. In India, the caste system enforces endogamy by restricting marriage between the sexes. Even the non-literary societies like the Maasai of the Eastern Africa show class skilled based endogamy. So in short, endogamy means marrying inside your group to maintain identity, status, or tradition.
Endogamy is the practice of marrying within a specific social group, religion, or community. This tradition is common in many cultures and religions around the world. In the case of Iglesia ni Cristo, members are expected to marry within the church to maintain unity in faith and religious practices.
If a member wishes to marry someone outside the church, the partner is usually required to convert to Iglesia ni Cristo before the marriage can take place inside the church.
History of Iglesia ni Cristo. The Iglesia ni Cristo or INC, founded by Felix Manalo in 1914, is a significant Christian denomination in the Philippines known for its unique doctrines and rapid growth. Founding in early years. Registered July 27, 1914 by Felix Manalo. Born 1886 in Taguig. Lived Catholicism. Explored other denominations secluded in 1913. Preached in Manila 1913. Baptized first members December 25, 1913. Growth and expansion. Rapid spread across the Philippines. 1,250 chapels and 35 cathedrals by 1963. Succession by Enranyo Manalo, first overseas service in Hawaii in 1968. Beliefs and practices. Non-Trinitarian doctrine. One true restored church. Felix Manalo is a last messenger of God. Belief strengthened during World War I. Current status. Around 2.8 million adherents, highly centralized structure, strong community service, congregation in 166 countries, ongoing global expansion.
Iglesia ni Cristo is a Christian religious organization that started in the Philippines in 1914.
The church emphasizes unity, discipline, and loyalty to its teaching. The values also influence their marriage practices.
Because marriage connects two families, the church encourages members to marry fellow believers to maintain shared faith and spiritual harmony.
According to church teachings, unity in religions helps couples build a stronger spiritual foundation for their marriage. Others believe it can limit personal freedom in choosing a partner.
This belief encourages members to prioritize faith when choosing a life partner.
Endogamous marriage helps maintain a strong sense of community among members.
Families often support the practice because it strengthens shared values and traditions. However, this practice can also influence personal relationships and dating choices. Some members may face pressure to choose partners within the church, which can affect their personal decisions. One challenge of endogamous marriage is when members fall in love with someone outside the church.
While it strengthens religious unity, it can also create challenges for individuals navigating relationship in beliefs.
Some people see this practice as a way to protect faith and unity. And understanding different religious practices help us respect cultural diversity in the Philippines. Thank you for watching.